Kruger MATZ Live 7S, and let me show you how to enter the factory mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Now let's tap restart and tap OK to confirm it, and now tap volume down. So let's keep holding volume down until the factory mode pops up. Let's keep holding volume down. And now you can release volume down. The first Chinese text pops up, so let's wait for the whole menu. And this is the factory mode, so you can try to translate this into your language by using some translator, or you can simply navigate here by using volume down and confirm options by pressing power key. What's really important here, you can perform some auto test, manual test, item test, and you can also here accomplish the hard reset. Clear eMMC, this is the hard reset operation, so if you would like to erase all data, you can accomplish that. If not, let's just skip it. And if you would like to quit this mode, let's just choose the last option right here. This is the reboot, so let's simply highlight this option and press power key to confirm it. Now let's wait until your device will be ready to use. Do not interrupt while the process is running. And everything went well. You can unlock the screen and start using your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.